Let's look at how to scan multiple documents. You could be having your documents, around 10 of them, and you want to send them at once. So here we are going to look at tricks or steps of scanning multiple documents. The documents need to be as well arranged well. You can align them or you can arrange them according to the way you want the other person to receive them. For instance, you might be having projects that you are submitting. Start with the first step or the first letter or anything that you may as well use as your first document. Let's say if we have this as our document, let's assume that this is our document one. It is already printed. If it's already printed, then it means it's in a hard copy format. If it's in a hard copy format, then it means you're going to scan already what is in a hard copies. So let's go to our scanner. The scanner should be titled in here. It has to be available. Or each printer, for instance, I'm using HP LaserJet. It has its scanner. The scanner also, the name is here HP. So in here, we are looking at different printers. The printers could be like 3 of them installed on your computer, but you have to know, or if you have a networked system, that networked system should do as well be known that my printer is residing here or there. So in case you have scanned, you can receive your document using that same scanner. Some printers nowadays have the scanner and the photocopier attached on them. So here we want to look at how we can scan multiple documents. We have for instance our scanner here. When you open it, it will come up with a new interface or a defined interface. On this new interface, you will be prompted to choose among the available items. If your print is off, the scanner will not allow to send this interface. If the scanner is off, the scanner will not send this interface. When you click on the scanner software, it will just send you a message that it shows you that the scanner or the printer that has that scanner is not connected. So if you have reached here on this interface, create a new shortcut. We have what we call save as PDF. Save as PDF or save as JPEG. We have already passed through what all this means. You can choose to save your document as a joint picture expert group photo or as a PDF format for document. In here, scan entire area. Yes, we can scan the entire area, or we can choose a paper type that preferably we want, but for now we can leave it as it is. You can come to output type. You just leave output as it is. Whether it's colored or black and white, it will come as the way you're seeing it. In here we may not change. You may put document or photo. You may choose anything that you feel like. So you save as PDF. Well, we can continue and say let's save it as PDF. Then you scan. Upon scanning, we shall see that our document is now being worked upon. We are trying to scan it from the computer. We are using this interface to see. We are scanning it from this computer using a scanner. It may take some little time according to the speed of your computer, or it will be very fast compared to the type of the scanner you're using or your computer system. When you continue scanning it, it will run through stages. Then right now our scan document is now visible in here. We can view very well our scanned document. You can as well increase the contrast of this. Can continue having this to have the contrast. The more your contrast will go up, the more brighter your document will come. So in here we are trying to improve how our stuff will look. So it keeps on adding. So until here it changes. When it changes from here, you will observe that the brightness has increased. You know that here it has increased the contrast. If it has increased the contrast, then you will be able to see all the words that are embedded in your document. So in here we can continue to have our stuff. We have seen how this document is now looking, so you can as well save. But remember, we want multiple documents to be on our document. In here you will get another document and then you insert it in your printer. When inserted, you can click here. Don't close. If you close here, it means you have cancelled everything or that particular item. So in here we have added onto our scan document, we have added another document. This is our other document that we have added. If that one is done, you may also increase the contrast in here, or you can as well say add another. You open the scanner, then you put another item, then you say add. So you see that you have added another one. Still you can add another document. So in there you have added another continuing document. So you keep adding here. So if you don't, for instance, want this other document up, if you don't want this other document, you can select, for instance, this one or this one, then you say remove the selected page. So in here it will ask you, do you want to delete the selected pages? You say yes. So you have removed the selected page. So upon that, we have looked at how we can select multiple documents, or how we can scan multiple documents. If you have 20 pages that you want to select, you keep adding here. So that is the simple process of adding or selecting or scanning multiple documents. Thank you. You can save in your preferable folder. After saving, you choose for the folder that you save your document from. Then you can give it a name. Can give it any name here. Let's say that's the name. Then you can save. So there, the saving pages of this, it will count the number. So it will show you how far you've gone with saving. Then it will prompt back what you have saved. That is it.